Subscribe and share. It's Louis the Don, the Q7. 2018 Q7 map sensor. This controls your fuel pressure regulation and also your idle and stuff like that. Part number 3397. This is for 2018-2019 Q7. You have a rough idle issue. This controls your fuel injection and your speed, Today, I'm going to be working on my Audi. I'm just removing the map sensor. I know there's some videos out there about that. So let me tell you what they don't tell you. I've seen some mechanics say, oh, you need a 15-inch screw Torx, right? You do need that. But you also need to understand that, 1 second. When you lift up the bonnet, you can lift up the bonnet here. You see this? There's a frame that you have to move side to side to remove the sensor. But what I'm gonna do is I cleaned the sensor, so if that don't help me, then I just gotta buy a brand new sensor, all right? But the main thing is you have to lift up the bonnet. They don't tell you all that. I'm giving you free game. Just all I ask is you like, share, and subscribe. It's Louis the Don and the Q7. So that's very important because I was looking at the video and I'm like, then I would struggle to remove the sensor. So then I took my time, began to do some praying, and God showed me, oh, you gotta move the clip side to side. And when you move the clip side to side, the sensor comes off like a baby. So that's very important, and then you gotta order the part. I already checked the part number is 3397. Oh my God, that's my number too, that I play. So that's a blessing. 3397. As you can see, the sensor was dirty, and I cleaned it. Looks good so far. We'll see what happens. All right, it's Louis the Don, the Q7, and I'll see you on the next one.